in 12th July. At this day, I shall my share in this 5-star stock. Let us see where I enter. Let us see in the weekly time frame. If you see in the weekly time frame, there is no data before. And after this breakout, it moved up and it formed the channel pattern. This is the nice pattern, right? One, two, three, four. And then what happened is this is the high. This is the high, right? What happened? Where did I enter? Is let me just show you in daily time frame. If we see in the daily time frame, this is the place where I enter. Why? Because if you see this candle closed strong, right? And these the wick. This is the wick, right? It taking resistance, right? All these sellers are absorbed by this buyer at this day. So I enter it here at the end of the day. The candle closed strong, so that's why I enter it here. The mistake that I had done in this trade is, if you see, after I enter, the next day the price growth goes to this level, almost 11% in a day. It would be better for me if I book 12% in a day. It's huge, right? It would be better if I had exited here, but this is the mistake that I had done. I didn't exit. My greediness plays here. At the end of the day, all this buying pressure is sold by the sellers, and I waited. It may be better that if I exited here, because this is a huge selling pressure, right? There is only two cases will happen after this huge wick. The price may go down like this, or it may consolidate like this. That is what happened. This is consolidate nicely. It is almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of my time. It kills my 7 weeks of time. So that's why if you see the wick like this with huge wick, better to exit it here. It may goes down or it may consolidate. Rarely what happened is after the next day it covers all the wick and goes up. That is what happened in the next day, but this is not covered all the wick. So the consolidation has happened, taking good resistance at this level, good support at this level again. So at this time what I think is, for the next time when it touches this resistance, I will exit. That is what happened. It tested, but this day what happened is it goes down but it closes above by observing the sellers. So that's why I waited, not exit in this day. It may go up. I think it will break out this time, but that is not what happened in the next day. Next day it goes down and down. I exited exactly that here. After that I exit at the end of the day. It falls strongly. This is what happened. The 7 weeks of my time is killed here. If I exited here, I made 12% in a day. This is the story behind it. That is what did I made is enter it here, right? I put my stop loss below this 10. It achieved 1 is to 1, but I failed to exit, and I exited here with the 4.5% ROI, less than 1 is to 1 risk reward ratio.